My Carrier Cor thermostat went blank. I removed and replaced the display panel, as well as reset the circuit breaker, and it's still blank. Any thoughts?
Do you know the model of your Carrier thermostat? How old is it?
It's just over a year old.
How long has this been going on with your Carrier thermostat? What have you tried so far?
Model TP-WEM01A.
Is there anything else the HVAC Tech should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
The screen went blank. I removed it from the wall and replaced it, and it's still blank.
If you are not getting anything on your thermostat even after changing the unit and checking the batteries if there was any, you have lost power from the inside unit, which provides power to the thermostat. There is generally a fuse in line from the transformer inside the air handler that could be blown, or it could be the transformer itself that is blown. Mike.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.